This morning we're going to put together some breakfast, some French toast. We're going to make some French pup toast with some of my homemade bread. We had a French type loaf that I took out of the freezer yesterday. So we're going to try to make some. We're not going to try. Look how beautifully this slices here. Well, I don't know if you can see that down there, but okay. Let's take it. That's a yummy bread in itself. Let's put this on the side. Finish eating. Wow, that's pretty tasty. Put a little bit of milk in there. I can taste it. Taste it already. A little bit more. Just a little bit more milk. Need to get my pan lubed up a little bit. And I'll put a little butter on there. Have a little butter, a little oil. That combination ought to be about perfect for our French toast. So. All right, let's get this goofy piece. This thing is soft up, but that's okay. I'm gonna put that baby on there. Let's get another one. What I should have had is a dish to put this. I can do it just like that. I got this little tray right there. I'm gonna do it just like that. That's what we needed, a little pan to put that on, or a bowl. But that's okay. We'll do it like that. In fact, let's just do it. Come on. We got that figured out. We didn't practice or anything before we came out here to do this, so we got what we got. Probably can't eat any more carbs for 3 or 4 weeks or so after baking this French toast, but that's okay. That's okay. I won't eat it all. I'll just eat 1 or 2. Wow, look at that. That's okay. That's okay. I'm going to start adding a couple of our, we'll do this little other little ones get going. Ground cinnamon. This is my mixture of, it's ground cinnamon and stevia. So we got a little bit of cinnamon sugar going on here. Might as well add a little bit to this side while we start flipping. Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got down there. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna leave it just another hair there. We'll do a mass flipping there. Mass flipping. Oh, hey. French toast. Homemade bread. On the favorite griddle, the award-winning favorite griddle. Okay. Let's go ahead and start cooking. See me smiling here? I'm smiling now. This looks yummy. Wow! Alright, let's do it. Little more cinnamon and sugar on it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I think we're going for it. We're gonna go for it. Wowzer. Wowzer. Now we'll put that one on there. Looks like it sopped up all that egg there. Alrighty, we got our French toast done. Well, I got one more thing that I need to add to that though before we start moving it. We should have a little bit of powdered sugar down in it. Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow. A delicious batch of French toast. Homemade bread. Wow. Let's fix some. Let me take that one there. And I'll take that one there. And I'm going to put a little bit more sugar on that and make a mess while I'm at it. And some sugar-free. Little bit of sugar-free syrup. All right. Let's try this out. Wow. Really, really tasty. I can taste the goodness in the bread. Nice and thick, nice and soft. We're going to call that a success, folks. Thanks for coming by. Right. I'm not sure you folks got the look of those things. Isn't that just a